with Swallow This by TC Mahone. And today, my family and I opted to come to Old City Barbecue. And let me tell you guys, okay, so I read a lot of reviews about this place, and there are mixed reviews as always, but you know, guys, how I feel, and that is don't knock it until you tried it. So we just tried the Old City Barbecue here in Williamsburg, Virginia. And let me tell you guys, actually, it was very pleasant. I know that you all are used to me being honest, so I'm gonna be honest. No, I won't sit here and tell you that I necessarily enjoyed everything that I had, but I will say this. It's a personal preference type of thing when it comes to some of the things that I had, but overall, the customer service is very friendly. It was very fast considering the amount of food that we ordered. Our waitress, Abby, top-notch young lady. She was insightful. She was very informative. Pretty much in a nutshell, Abby knows her, okay, I'm not gonna curse y'all, I promise, but Abby knows her stuff, okay? It was a very pleasant experience all the way around, okay? I can't really complain, you guys. I can't really complain. Again, for me, there were only a few things, and again, that's personal preference. But for the most part, overall, yes, I enjoyed the Old City Barbecue. So, to all of my subscribers and all of my members, I want to say to you guys, again, you rock. I love you. Thanks for your support, your continued support, and helping me stay on my toes. Old City Barbecue, Williamsburg, Virginia. Yes, it is awesome. And if you think you like this one, you guys, I guess one day I'm gonna have to do Pierce's Barbecue here, which was my first love of barbecue. But now I don't know, since I've been here to the little city, Old City Barbecue. So you guys, this is Chef Shima with Swallow This by TC Mahone. I look forward to bringing you more content as far as my food adventures and travels. And again, today we just happened to be in Williamsburg. This was an impromptu thing. I enjoyed it, so we're doing it. Come on now, Old City Barbecue. Chef Shima with Swallow This by TC Mahone. All right, you guys, love you.